What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Frankie Candles daily live stream every single weekday here at 5:45 p.m. Guys, we are back from Miami, finally back in the studio, and it feels good. Listen, we had a blast. Oh no, I don't have my hat on. Just complete hair reveal right in the beginning of the stream. What is this? Let's get that hat going. Come on. Come on. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate every single one of you guys. We're back from Miami. We had an awesome time in Miami. We got to meet a bunch of the CandleMafia. It was super cool. We met Crypto Billy, Crypto Anon, which Crypto Anon, I realize your name is not Crypto Anon, but I read it like that the first time, and that's just what I say. I guess it's technically Cryptonon, but Crypto Anon is what you are now to me. Met Crypto Anon, met Matt Wolfmeyer, our Bitcoin Miami 2022 ticket giveaway winner. We met Stone Temple. We met Jimmy Boyd, Jimmy Two Shoes, met up with Jimmy Two Shoes. He came by, met the Bit Squad. I actually don't have my black coffee today, Jimmy, but I do have this random unbranded can of water because it's not an energy drink, because I don't drink energy drinks because they're bad for you, but this is a silver can of water. So today's energy is brought to you by carbonated water. But yeah, guys, we had an amazing time at Bitcoin Miami 2022. We're back. I'm happy to be back in the studio, back on our normal live stream schedule. Thank you guys for showing my pre-recorded market updates and my live streams in Miami so much love. They actually did pretty well, so I appreciate you guys for tuning in while we were out there. I tried to go live as much as I could. When we had the time, in the hotel, we had some downtime. Anytime we were in that room, I would go to lay on my bed and be like, oh, I'm so tired from walking around all day. Nah, I'll just hop up on a live. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, thank you all. Everybody who came out, it was super nice meeting you guys. I'm actually going to show you guys a few pictures so you guys can put faces to some of these names in the chat. But yeah, had a super good time. Super happy to be back. Guys, Bitcoin. Bitcoin's doing a thing. Bitcoin is definitely doing a thing. A few minutes late today too. I am sorry about that. I guess I'm just on Miami time. But yeah, guys, Bitcoin is currently dumping. So this is going to be an exciting stream. I am in a trade. We're going to take a look at that in just a second. But before we do that, let's go ahead and say what is up to chat. Let's see who we got here. We're going to start right here. Michael Norris, what's going on? Crypto Billy, was awesome meeting you, man. Welcome back. Bill says, they say bull markets make millionaires, but bear markets make billionaires. Listen, Michael, I could not agree more. Let's see. We got Tyler Durden, one of our wonderful mods here. Thank you for being here, Tyler. I appreciate you. And I can't wait for the day I get to meet you in real life. Or IRL, as the kids say, because I'm not a kid anymore. My birthday's this month. I turned the big 3-0. I'm not a kid anymore. I think I wasn't a kid a long time ago. But Byron, what's going on? Give me good news, Frankie. I actually answered him in the chat. Here's the good news, guys. We make money whether the price is going up or down. So that is the good news. Let's see, Samuel, what's going on? Crypto Anon, what's up, man? Great meeting you out there. Jimmy Two Shoes, great meeting you out there as well. What's going on? Thank you for being back here. Jack Destiny, what's up? Rob, the Crypto Snob, what is up? Epic, I don't know if I said hi to you yet. What's up? MBF, what's going on? Let's get a few more in here. A few more. Rickster, what's going on? Let's see. Let's get three more. Zatoshi, what's going on? Welcome back. David, welcome back. Wick, welcome back. Ryan, welcome back. Jacob, welcome back. And Freedom Man, welcome back. Gary Burke, Chris, Samuel, Daddy Zach, V-Slim, what's going on, V-Slim? Good to see you back here, brother. Appreciate you, Chris, Mr. A, or Al as we call him, and Jack. I said 3 more. That was like 40 more. But what's going on? I love showing love to the chat, guys. But yeah, Bitcoin's doing a thing right now. It's dumping. We're going to jump into the charts. I'm going to let you know where I think the price is going, how you could have spotted this, this short trade before it actually happened. And then we're going to take a look at the altcoins. I'm going to let you guys know what levels you should be watching for some trades. And, hopefully these lower price targets I'm going to give you today, we don't even have to think about, but we gotta take everything into consideration. Guys, we got 141 people in here. Smash that like button if you guys want to spin the wheel of pain and pleasure for a chance to win a giveaway. For every 100 likes we get, you guys get a spin on the wheel. So smash that like button if you like free stuff. Just sent a Ledger Nano S out this morning. It was kind of late. I'm sorry. Obviously, we've been traveling all over. Things have been crazy, but it's out. Yeah, guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the charts and see what's going on. But first, let me just pull up these pictures real quick for you guys. There you go. Here's a nice little picture of me and Evan Aldo. Evan Aldo was out there at the conference. Super nice guy. We got to hang out. We actually hung out at Benjamin Cowan's after party at a penthouse in Miami. It was one of the most beautiful views I've ever seen. Got to hang out with Evan Aldo there for a little bit. We were chatting and met a bunch of cool people. But Evan is the man. Super cool guy. And then let's see what else we got. And then there's Kryptonon, or Crypto Anon as I call him, showing love at the conference. Shout out to Crypto Anon. I hope you don't mind me outing your picture here. Super cool guy. Got to hang out with him. And this is Matt Wolf. Oh, that's the weekly chart for Bitcoin, or the 15-minute chart for Bitcoin. This is Matt Wolfmeyer, the winner of the tickets that we gave away. Matt, if you're watching, I didn't see you in there, but shout out to Matt. Thanks for coming out, man. It was super fun hanging out with you. And great to meet you guys. We had a bunch of people out there showing love. And I do have pictures with Jimmy Two Shoes. Unfortunately, they're on his phone, though. So I couldn't pull it up, but it was awesome meeting Dom, BX Bricklayer, and Jimmy Void, or Jimmy Two Shoes, as I call him. Super fun meeting you guys. And as you can see, there's just a bloodbath going on in the background here. So here we go. All right, guys, look at all those yellow X's. Just a quick little update. I am, let me get rid of some of this stuff here. Boom. Boom. Okay. All right. Okay, guys. So, what do we got going on here? Let's go ahead and just check in on this trade a little bit. Very small trade, guys. You know, it happens to be on one of my smaller accounts. Threw a couple $100 on it, up about 51% right now for a little $110 gain. Not too bad. Wish I had this on my bigger account, but you know, I had that account open. I wanted to get in and didn't want to log back in. So I was like, let me just throw one on here, maybe add to the position later on my other account. But nonetheless, 52%, not too bad. We'll let this ride out and keep an eye on it. Now, let's go ahead and start over here. We got a lot of stuff to look at, guys. We also have a very bearish, you know, we got something pretty bearish to cover here. If you guys watch the morning live stream on BitBoy Crypto, you will know probably what I'm going to bring up. But let's go ahead and let's just start on the 3-week here, because we have been talking about the 3-week for some time here. So we were printing a green dot on that momentum wave with the VWAP crossover. It has unprinted. The green dot is no longer there. So it did not confirm. Unfortunately, we do have 6 days for this 3-week candle to confirm. So maybe it comes back, but right now it is gone, right? And then this, we got a new 2-week candle printed. We printed that green dot, but we are now printing a red dot. So kind of counterproductive there. Went into the green, right back into the red. So not really a good look, but this is what I wanted to look at with you guys. There it is, guys. Shout out to Jason Casper, because he was talking about this, and that's kind of what brought it to my attention. Guys, we got a blood diamond on the weekly. Now, I don't think this has ever happened. I mean, we can scroll back here. Yeah, I don't think this has ever happened, if I'm not mistaken. So this could wind up being very bearish, right? And we're printing a red dot as the VWAP crosses over that zero line, and the money flow crossing over that zero line, looking like it wants to go into the red. But this blood diamond is very worrying, right? We've never seen this on such a high time frame like this, or at least on the weekly. So definitely want to keep our eye on this. This, I mean, I can't even back test this to see how much they usually bring us down, because it's never happened. But I mean, when you got these little short indicators, these little diamonds here bringing you down this much, blood diamond is kind of scary to see on this time frame, if we're being quite honest. I told you I had trust issues with this thing. I knew the weekly was going to come back and stab me in the back, because you know, it started to turn around and I was kind of iffy about it, and now we're just looks like we want to roll back over into the red. We got the blood diamond, right? It is on the Heikinashi candles as well as the regular candles. It wasn't on the Heikinashi candles before, but now has popped up. So definitely not a bullish look here, guys. Definitely not looking good for the weekly, although it hasn't really looked good in the recent past anyway. But with this blood diamond, it is not really not looking good. So coming into the higher daily time frames, right? We're printing a red dot here on the 5-day. Now, you remember what I tell you guys about when you have an anchor wave like this, right, and then it comes down and the next wave is a tiny little trigger wave like this, typically these do, sometimes bring you down quite a bit. So that is worth noting, but you are printing that red dot, indicating that you are going to see some more downside, right? And then the 4-day, right, another red dot, not a great look. Money flow kind of flat there. But then on the 3-day, right, we came up into the green, right back into the red. Now, technically speaking, generally still coming up with the money flow, but I do see possibly this wave coming lower and getting turning into a decently sized red wave, right? So, not a great look for the 3-day either. 2-day money flow coming out, VWAP below the 0 line. Obviously, you got that red dot, a while ago, but money flow coming down, not the best look. And the daily back in the red with the money flow. Guys, remember we waited so long, right? This VWAP, this money flow teased us so many times, and then finally crossed over into the green, and now we're just back into the red. It was short-lived. Definitely not a good look, right? I'm not here to sugarcoat it, guys. I say this all the time. I give you the sauce. I don't give you the sugar. It's not looking great right now. Let's just check chat real quick. Short time, baby. Absolutely, Crypto Billy. That is, bear market scenes. Yes, the anxious investor. I'll just say I'm feeling you. I'm feeling you today. That's for sure. Want to sell all my Bitcoin for XRP. I bought my Bitcoin for under $500 each. Hey, Bobby Crypto Granny, if you bought your Bitcoin for $500 each, then you are deep in the green. I would recommend taking some profits. Let's see what's going on. CandleMafia crypto is on sale. BTFD, you guys know what that means. Rafi, what is going on? Welcome back, my friend. Let's see. Will we see 38,000 today? Henry, we're going to talk about that in just a second. I keep saying 2018 similarities, 200 EMA weekly is the target. Yes, Satoshi. As you know, we've been keeping an eye on the weekly money flow on Market Cypher, being that, we were coming down here in 2017, right, as money flow was coming out. And then when we got this money flow crossover into the red, we dropped another, 50% right here. And that was basically the bottom of this bear market. So it is looking very similar as, we have price coming down, right? And you have money flow coming down, and now we're about to cross over into the red. Are we going to see another 50% drop? And I'm going to talk about why it would be interesting and, some, kind of like confluence that we have. If we do drop another 50%, there is a chance that, I'm just trying to get my drawings back here, guys. Sorry. There they are. Okay. So if we drop another 50%, let's just pull up the weekly one more time. Right. So if we drop another 50% from here, where would that bring us? Let's just go ahead and measure this out real quick. just roughly from here, right? Another 50% would bring us right down, almost exactly to this white line that I have at about, 20,000, or this line is actually, I think, at like 19,500. And that's kind of where I'm calling for a bottom, right? I do believe that we're going to go back and retest those last all-time highs from the previous cycle in a bear market, right? So I do think that's probably the bottom. In my opinion, I think we could go down and see the low 20s, maybe between 19K and 21K, somewhere in that range. And if we do get another 50% dump off of this money flow crossover into the red, coincidentally, the bottom of that wave would bring us almost right to the bottom of where I would predict we would go in a bear market. Just very, very interesting coincidence to see that 50% brings us right down to that line. Very, very interesting. Frankie, looking sharp with that fresh tan. Glad we're back. Bing bong. Bubba's Crypto, thank you for that. I appreciate it. I did get absolutely roasted in Miami. I usually don't burn too bad. I get pretty dark for the most part. But yeah, I definitely got nice and toasted out there. That's for sure. I think 24K is near bottom. Yeah, Satoshi, I don't disagree with that. Hard to see sub 20K. Yeah, Satoshi, I basically agree with that. Frankie, Scammer's been trying hard in the comment section with the WhatsApp stuff, but I got your back. I report them all. Thank you, Blanchard's Bees. Yeah, we go through and try to hide them all, but as soon as we delete one, another one pops up. They're relentless. I'm not on WhatsApp. I will never ask you for money. Just so you guys know, I will never ask you for money ever, ever, ever. So if you guys are talking to me, you're going to know you're talking to me, okay? The only time I'm talking to you is if I'm just asking you for somewhere to send you something free. I will never ask you for money. I will never trade for you. I will never take money and then say I'm going to flip it for you ever, ever, ever. So if you're talking to, you think you're talking to me, and anyone asks for a password or your seed phrase or, hey, give me your information, I'll triple your money, it's not me. I will never do that. They're out there hardcore. All right, let's see. It's like playing whack-a-mole. Absolutely, Tyler. Swim with the whales. Yes, absolutely. Could not agree more. You want to think like smart money. We might not be whales, but we're smart catfish, let's say. Actually, I don't know. Catfish are bottom feeders. We're not really bottom feeders. We're just slightly smaller. We're like dolphins. We're like dolphins. The most intelligent in the sea, even smarter than whales. Maybe. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, I talk junk to them. I like that, Mr. A. But yeah. All right, guys, let's just go ahead and zoom in here. So we looked at the higher time frames, daily back in the red, right? Let's zoom into the 1 hour and just so I can give you guys an idea of where I think we're going, right? Hey, how about this though? Our calls on the pre-recorded market updates in Miami were pretty spot on. We called every level. We got at least some sort of a bounce. I mean, that's a pretty pathetic bounce. But we did hit every target and get a little bit of a bounce, but none of them held as support, unfortunately. But the fact that we broke this 40K level is not good. Strong psychological support. Not looking good that we broke through that. And you guys will remember in those videos, I was talking about, we were somewhere up here, right? Just kind of dipping into back into this, below this trend line, this support line and support and resistance area right here. And I was saying that there could be more downside. And there would be a possibility that we would travel down back to, let me take this off, okay. That we would travel back down to the bottom of this bear flag, which is exactly what happened. We are now starting to break that level. And then, I was saying that if we broke this level, we have 40K underneath. Then we have this bottom of the triangle, right? This trending line going upwards right here, this white line. That would act as support, right? We're smashing through everything right now. A lot of sell pressure, but we do have our last hope right here. This is a golden pocket. Hopefully we could get a bounce off of this. However, I don't know how strong of a bounce it's going to be with the longer time frames looking so bearish. I'm not so hopeful that we're going to get a super strong bounce. I will say this, I'm looking for shorts. I'm not looking for longs right now. So be careful with your longs, everybody. If you come on down to the 4 hour, we pointed this out, on one of our videos in Miami. We did have that yellow X on the 4 hour, right? And I was saying, even if you're seeing these green dots down here on Market Cipher B, be careful when these yellow X's come around, even longing, when you start to see green dots signifying that there is a bottom being made. You want to be careful with these yellow X's because they push you down. You want to don't even care about the green dots if there's a yellow X, in play. So obviously that played out here. You got a green dot right here. You could have tried to long it. You would have got a little bit of a move before just coming right back down, testing this level right here as resistance, right? But the next level I am watching right now is going to be this golden pocket level, which it looks like we are going to approach very, very quickly. So we're hoping for a bounce off of that. Now let's come down to our, very, very small time frames. Look at these yellow X's, guys. These things will not give up. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 yellow X's. Not a good look. This thing pushed us right down. Hopefully we can hold that golden pocket. Now, if we do break this golden pocket, the level I am looking at is right here. Let me just zoom in a little bit. Right here at 36,351. It's the 0.786 fib level. This is the next level I'd be looking at right here, 36,351. So we break this golden pocket. Maybe you see something play out like this, right? You bounce around a little bit up here, and then, you break through, you test as resistance, and then you come down. This is the next level, this 786 fib level. This is the level that I'm watching. If we break through this golden pocket, hopefully we don't have to worry about it. But things are looking pretty bearish out there. I do think it's possible that we come down there. All right, let's check chat real quick. Lost 1 long today, won 7 shorts. Epic. That's basically, hey, Frankie, how are the markets looking? Lost one long, won 7 shorts. That's how the market's looking. Well said, Epic. Uneven butt cheeks do lie sometimes. Eric, yes. Nothing is 100%, right? I mean, really all you need is your strategy to win more than 50% of the time, and you will be profitable over time. But yeah, listen, I know what you're talking about. Jason Casper calls them uneven butt cheeks or bullish or bearish divergences, right? They do play out many times. Most of the time they play out. It's an overwhelmingly high win rate with the divergences, but they don't always play out, right? You could, sometimes the charts can scream the price is going one way, and then it just decides to go the other way. That's why you want to use multiple confirmations, right? If you see a bullish divergence, right, but you're right up against resistance, right, might not be the best long to take, and vice versa. If you see a bearish divergence, but you're coming down to really strong support or the golden pocket or something is going to act as strong support, it might be good, even though the bullish or bearish divergence is there, you might just want to sit it out, because if you just have the bullish divergence and you don't have any other confirmations, you might not want to take that trade. I always like to have at least 2 or 3 confirmations so you can enter confidently. All right, let's see here. ETH, please, you didn't do it today. You skipped it. Yes, Bob, we will go over ETH. Don't you worry. Tony D, thank you for being here. One of our other wonderful mods. I appreciate you, dude. Can you check RNDR chart, please? I'm down a lot. Okay. Yes, we will take a look at the alts here in just a little while. A little later in the stream, we will look at the alts. I'll remember RNDR. Maybe Tony or Tyler can keep that on their list so I don't forget. Chris Weeks, what's going on? Welcome back. Cobra Kai, welcome back. So if Chris Weeks says, so if Bitcoin dumps and it appears in full-blown bear market, will alt pump or dump as well? Will we have an alt season or it's bear market for everything? So Chris, I think it depends on how it plays out, right? Listen, if we just dump from here, like if we just start getting mega candles down here and we're just falling into the bear market, like in the middle of the night or something, I wouldn't be too hopeful on an alt season. But that doesn't mean that, we're not 100% sure on that happening. You skipped it on around the block. Oh, they skipped it on around the blockchain. Yeah, we'll cover it. Don't worry. Been here since day one. Bobby, I appreciate you for that. Yes, we will definitely I'll take a look at ETH in just a second. All right. But yeah, if we just dump from here, I would not be too hopeful for an alt season, but it is not completely guaranteed that we're going to just dump from here, right? So keep that in mind. But yeah, if we just come straight down, I would not be surprised if we don't have an alt season. Because we had the meme coins going crazy this season, this cycle. The meme coins are going crazy. We had the NFTs stealing some of the money, right? So maybe maybe we don't see an alt season if we dump from here. But I don't think it's not guaranteed. I'm not just saying I'm a perma bear, 100% we're going down. But I'm just telling you guys what I see on the charts. It doesn't look good right now. Not working. I'm not very phone savvy. All right, let's see. Frankie, can we get some ROON charts? Yes. Keep your alts in mind. We're going to take a look at them. We usually look at them in the second half of the stream. I'll just run through a bunch of them and we'll talk about them. So keep them in mind in just a little bit here. We're going to take a look at the big coins and some of the bigger alts. And then we'll take a look at your alts here in just a minute. Let's see. Alt season already happened. It just wasn't as parabolic run everybody wanted. Satoshi, I think that's possible. I think that's possible. Let's see. Let's smash up them likes. Let's go, Crypto Anon. Appreciate you. Okay, bro. Thank you. No problem, Chris. It ain't over till the fat lady sings, and XRP is that fat lady. I like that, Wick. I like that. I made 9K on YFI when it was 93K. All right, let's go. Kelly says, after clear regulation, this market will boom. Absolutely. Agree. 305 watching, 143 likes. Guys, smash the like button. Every 100 likes you get a spin on the wheel, and you get to see me do something embarrassing or win a giveaway. For every 100 likes, you get a spin. So smash that like button. Let's go for 300 likes today. Let's go for 3. I know we can do it. All right, guys. So let's just jump right back into the charts here, right? So this is kind of what I'm thinking. Golden pocket right down here. The top of this golden pocket is coming in around 39K. And we're pretty dang close. So if we break that, looking at this 786 fib level down here at about 36,351. So keep these levels in mind. And then let's go ahead and take a look at ETH. Now, the thing to remember with ETH, guys, is ETH is going to be heavily dependent on, everything just looks so gross right now. Something to remember with ETH, guys, is ETH typically looks very similar to Bitcoin, right? So if we go over to the daily chart, right? you know, money flow not back in the red yet, but, you know, kind of just right behind Bitcoin, looking like it wants to come into the red pretty soon here. Now, what levels am I looking for if we break further down, right? Let's go ahead. Let's actually take a look at the longer time frames here. VWAP coming down on the weekly, right? Money flow starting to come down. Let's check the 5-day. VWAP coming down, money flow in the red, not the best look. 4-day, you got the red dot. Same deal with Bitcoin. You got a big anchor wave back here with this little trigger wave with the red dot. This could bring us down a lot. So not the best look. 3-day, you know, money flow coming down. VWAP below the zero line, not the best look. 2-day, you know, you printed that red dot a while ago, just like on Bitcoin. It could bring you down a lot. VWAP below the zero line. Money flow kind of flat there, though. And then we did just look at the daily. Let's take a look at the 10-hour, right? And guys, we also, another reason we could have seen this coming, guys, was on Bitcoin on these higher hourly time frames, right? The 10-hour on Bitcoin had a couple blood diamonds. The 8-hour had a couple blood diamonds. You know, we had blood diamonds printing on these higher time frames for Bitcoin, also indicating that, you know, kind of foreshadowing what could have been coming. So it wasn't too much of a shock to see us come down here. I wasn't shocked that much, but you know, 4-hour blood diamond here, that brought us down a decent bit. Now, next levels to watch for Ethereum on, you know, for me, whoop, that's a fib. All right. So you do have this support level right here at about 28.24, right? You know, you bounced off of this quite a few times. You know, it was acting as resistance, then support, right? You know, resistance. So 28.24, you know, maybe that's the next level we make it down to. Maybe find some support there. But again, if Bitcoin is just dropping like a rock, you know, ETH is probably just going to follow. And then right under there, we do have another level at about 27.78. So those are some levels to watch for ETH. And, you know, again, though, like if Bitcoin starts to dump, we're going to see this bleed over into ETH. So, you know, I wouldn't be expecting any super hard bounces. You want to look for bullish divergences, right? On the, you know, if you start seeing bullish divergences form as you're approaching support, maybe it's signifying a bottom. You see money flow starting to come back up. But as of right now, we just got another money flow crossover into the red. So if we break this support line, I'm thinking we're probably coming straight down here. And then if things are still not looking like they're turning up when we get there, we could come back down to the second line. And then if we come lower than that, you know, we're going to have to assess the situation when we get there. But yeah, I would be watching, you know, 28, you know, 28.30, 28.24, or and then underneath that 27.75 or yeah, 27.75. So yeah, these are the levels I'm looking at for ETH. You know, let's take a look at the lower time frames. 3-hour, you know, 3-hour money flow. Yeah, coming down. 2-hour money flow coming down. VWAP coming up, but this doesn't look like a very strong, you know, crossover here. I mean, it's very, very early. Like we're just starting to curve over, but this looks like it might just roll back over and come down again with the money flow coming out. 1 hour. You know, you just got another yellow X on the 1 hour. This could easily push you down to here. You know, easily push you down to this level, in which case, if you did grab that short for, say, here to here, nice little 4% gain, or throw a little 10x leverage on it and make that a 44% profit move. All right, let's see. I'm waiting for ETH to start bleeding again. Like last year, it reached like 4.8K and was outperforming BTC. Let's smash the like button. John Connor said it, not me. Let's see. We've been in a bear market since May last year, with the exception of a few spikes up. Rob, the crypto snob, you might wind up being right. Yeah, that wouldn't be, you know, that Crypto Face said, sell in May, walk away. But yeah, you may not be wrong there, Rob. Let's see. In just a few days, I should have took profit. Dumb granny, but I wasn't home, left my phone, lol. Bob, don't worry about it. It's okay. You'll get them next time. Yeah, CF Forex strategy. We do have quite a bit of yellow X's printing here. As you can see on the 15-minute for Bitcoin, there was like 7 of them. So when it wants to come down, it comes down. Let's see. Jimmy Two Shoes. I see you, Jimmy. Shorting the levels you mentioned the last few days, 6 trades, average 22% at 50x. Thanks for the sauce. Michael Snelling. Where is it? Give me my dang money. Michael, We're throwing it for you. We're throwing it for you. You watch the levels that Frankie Candles gives you. You short them, and you're up on however many trades you just said you're up. Let's go, Michael. Let's go. We're throwing the cash for you. We're throwing it for you, baby. Let's go. CandleMafia out here making money. All this money is just coming right back to me. I'm like a money magnet. All right, let's go. Congratulations, Michael, on your trades. And hey, I'm gonna keep giving you the levels. Not financial advice. What you do with that information, what you do with your sauce, right? I'm just here to give you the sauce. I'm not a chef, but I make sauce, and whatever you want to do with that sauce is up to you. And hey, if you like what you're doing with the sauce, then that's your business. You know what I'm saying? Congrats to you, Michael. Let's go. Make it rain, baby. Let's go. How do you guys not think we are in a bear market? Well, we are either in a bear market or we're not, right? Because if the extended cycle theory were to play out, I guess we would just consider this a mini bear market. But it is very, very possible that we've been in a bear market since May. I totally agree with that. All right, when's super chats, John? I know you guys asked for the super chats. I swear they're coming. I wish I could explain to you guys all the stuff that is involved. You gotta do LLCs and all this stuff, and you need all this. They're coming. I actually was just talking to our in-house accountant today, and it should be done very, very soon. We have to apply for some stuff, and they will be coming very soon. When we get the super chats, we're gonna have a lot of fun. We're gonna do some cool stuff with the super chats. Let's see. We are in a bear trend, in my opinion. Every day brings something new in the crypto world. Cobra Kai, absolutely. Every day we get new information that we have to analyze and take into consideration. It would make no sense to just have an opinion and stick to it no matter what the charts are saying or what's happening in the world. So yeah, you have to take new information into account, 100%. Yeah, mini bear market. Yep. Let's see. It's a baby bear market, not a papa bear. Yes, Papa Bear might be lurking in the shadows right now, though. Let's see. It's a major correction. Yeah, it's just a correction. It's a healthy correction, guys. Yeah. All right. Let's see. Yeah. Well. Okay. I don't know how to say your name, Cows. Bear market is classified as 20% down. I'm pretty sure it's for traditional markets. We see 20% dips in Bitcoin on the way up all the time. So I think what you're talking about is like in a traditional, like in the stock market. But yeah, I mean, you see 15, 20% dips all the time on the way up in a bull market for Bitcoin. So granted, we are down more than that from the all-time high. So, still could be in a bear market for sure. But yeah, Bing Bong. I don't know how to say your name, but what's going on? I think you know who you are. Let's see. I love Jasmine at 1 cent. Let's go. Depends on the color of the dots. All right. Okay, guys, so there is ETH. Watch these levels that we just went over. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some of these alts. Let's take a look at Gala. And guys, let me pop a little. Here you go, guys. Oh yeah, there it is, guys. Carbonated water. Kind of tastes like Red Bull, but it's not. Oh, whoops. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. Let me drink one Red Bull. I said I gave it up, but let me drink one. I haven't drank it in a long time. We make money going up or down here at FCU, Frankie Candles University. Crypto Billy, that's the thing. We're not worried. We're making money going up or going down. So, I'm not too worried. So, but, it does matter for a long-term bags. I do have long-term bags. I'm a long-term believer in crypto. So, I do want the market to go up. I'm just, we have the benefit of making money going down too. So why not get money both ways? All right, let's go ahead and check out Gala. And what a surprise. Look at this, guys. What a surprise. Yellow X coming down to this support here at 18 cents. Now, let's just come up to the daily really quick because we were talking, right? Now, this is a perfect example because we were talking, I think, right before we left for Miami, or it might have been even in the stream, on the stream when we were in Miami, that I was saying if you see Gala come down here, it might be a good time to buy. Now, I said might for a reason, not just because I'm not a financial advisor, but the might is, it's dependent on certain things, right? Now, we have come down to hit that line, but with the way things are looking right now, if Bitcoin continues to go down, we could break this trend line. Bitcoin is looking very bearish right now. So I would be very cautious buying these levels. Now, if we dipped down and Gala was touching this level and things were starting to look up and maybe the money flow on the daily for Bitcoin looked like it was going down just for a little red wave and was going to come right back up. And, you know, you're getting bullish divergences on the longer time frames, and you're seeing things like they're starting to turn around, then this would be a good place to buy. But I am being very, very cautious because of the way Bitcoin looks on the longer time frames. So just keep that in mind. But nonetheless, we did come down and touch this line. I said it was possible. Unfortunately, it happened. Not a bad price for Gala, but only if we go up from here, right? If we're going to go into a deep bear market, and we get that weekly money flow crossover on Bitcoin, right? And we see another 50% drop, this is not going to look like such a juicy place to buy Gala. So you want to be careful. But nonetheless, we did come down, touch that level, money flow in the red, right? VWAP below the 0 line. Let's look at these longer time frames, right? Not a lot of info here. But yeah, look, 8-hour yellow X, 10-hour yellow X, 12-hour yellow X, 16-hour yellow X. I mean, throw it on the daily too. I mean, it looks like it could bleed in here into the daily, in which case I think we will break this level at about 18 or 19 cents about. So be very careful. Be very careful. In which case, we'll take a look at that in a second. But 4-hour, yeah, coming down. Let's look at the 1 hour. Yeah, fresh yellow X on the 1 hour. This could break us through. Definitely, possible to have that bring us down. 30-minute, yeah, just coming down here. Let's look at the 15-minute. So technically a bullish divergence here, right? Where you have price coming lower and momentum coming higher, but I'd be very, very careful because you got the yellow X's, right? When you got yellow X's popping up on these, where was it? Where we at? The 8-hour, right? When you got these yellow X's popping up on these longer time frames, you want to be careful. You want to be very, very careful with these longs. However, it is a bullish divergence technically. But I'll just say this. I'm not looking for a long here. I'm just going to let this ride out. I'm going to let things come down. I'm looking for shorts right now. If I miss a little relief pump or a little bullish divergence, I'm fine with that. But yeah, definitely possibility to see some more downside here for the alts as Bitcoin continues to bleed. Now, your next levels, I mean, maybe you break that area at about 19 cents. I mean, maybe you're coming down to 13. 13, you did have a little bit of resistance. Let's go ahead and yeah, I would say watch 13 cents, right? Yeah, 13, 11. We'll have to see, guys, because this is there's not even that much price history on here before this massive run up. So chances of you coming back down to 13 cents for Gala if we break this line is likely, in my opinion, right? Not financial advice. Can you check? Yes, Luan, I got you, homie. Don't worry. Short-term bottom is now bounced to 44. Don't long. Bob, I'm looking for it at local low. Okay. XRP is ready to rock and roll and perfect time to buy more. Yeah, I mean, I'm an XRP guy. I'm an XRP guy for sure. With that being said, let's go ahead and check on XRP. Just for anybody new, we are going to look at the alts. Don't worry. Just so you guys know, if you're new, we do typically cover, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then I cover some of the alts I keep an eye on: XRP, Gala, Atom, DOT, ADA, right? We cover those in the first half of the stream, and then the second half of the stream, you guys just spam your coins, and I look through, whatever you got. I try to give you my best analysis on it to give you guys a little bit of peace of mind, and a second brain to bounce your thoughts off of. Yeah, we'll take a look at Jasmine. Spent all already and still going down. Dang, BTC moving up a bit. What are we at? 39.8, yeah. Okay. So for XRP, let's go ahead and take a look. Okay. Sorry if the energy's a little low, guys. Trying to recoup here from Miami. But we're going to keep it up for you. We're going to keep it up. So you are coming down to this golden pocket, right? On the daily, you whipped down to it, came right back up, right? Golden pocket typically sees some pretty good support. Came right down to the bottom of that golden pocket right here. Down to that 0.65 level. It snapped right back up. But daily money flow back in the red. Let's check the weekly out. Yeah, weekly red dot on that tiny little trigger wave here. That could be scary. And you did have the red dot on the weekly right here. I'm not sure exactly when that printed, but blood diamonds popping up on the weeklies, not a good look, especially when it's popping up on multiple things. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the 12-hour, right, money flow crossover into the red. 10-hour yellow X, money flow deep in the red there. 8-hour yellow X, deep in the red. VWAP below the 0 line, kind of the same deal on the 6-hour. 4-hour, no yellow X, but deep in the red with the VWAP coming up. And yeah, no bullish divergence or anything there. Let's check the 2-hour. Yeah, just, oh, there's the yellow X, fresh yellow X on the 2-hour here. Will this push us past the golden pocket? Definitely has the power to do so. Again, depending on what Bitcoin's doing, right, you are printing that red dot on the momentum wave, right, as that VWAP crosses over the 0 line. 1-hour, yellow X, looking like it wants to come down. Let's come on down to the 15-minute. Yeah, just getting pressed right into that golden pocket. You do have another level down here at about 63 cents. If we break that level, I think we could see price come down to this level here at about 63 cents. So keep an eye out for that on XRP. And then let's just look at the 12-minute real quick. Yeah, yellow X, you know, not looking great, guys. I would watch this level for XRP at about 63 cents. All right, let's take a look at ADA. Let's see. The whole market is a yellow X. Jerry, yes, absolutely. More bear market ahead. Maybe 28K eventually. Trend will reverse when Fed does. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Luna, yes. Thank you, Tyler and Tony. Welcome to the CandleMafia, everyone. If you're new here, say hi in chat. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look at ADA, and then yeah, and then we can start working into the alts. All right. Here we go. For ADA. It happened, guys. It happened. We talked about this in our last stream, right? We did not want ADA to break that dollar level, and unfortunately, here we are. Below $1. But as you guys can see, we came up, rejected off that golden pocket, played around a little bit, and then dumped. Daily money flow in the red, right? You know, 4-day, yeah, same thing. Tiny little trigger wave with the red dot. That could bring us down you know, a decent amount. I mean, maybe into the 30s. I mean, I hate to say it. You know, I don't like saying this stuff. I really don't like saying this stuff, guys. But we get it both ways, people. We get it both ways. So when you hear me talking about how things are bearish, I hope you're seeing dollar signs and not big bears. But yeah, let's see. 16-hour, you know, money flow in the green starting to come down. 12-hour money flow starting to come down. VWAP got rejected at that 0 line, right? Money flow crossover on the 10-hour. Not as many yellow X's or anything on these time frames for ADA. You know, 8-hour money flow crossover into the red. I mean, it's not good. That's definitely not good. I mean, if you wanted to back test that, you know, last money flow crossover into the red right here brought us down about, you know, about 28%, right? So not good. I mean, if we came down 28% from here, where would that bring us? I'm gonna have to zoom out a little bit. 65 cents. I mean, that's definitely in the cards. Let's see. Yeah, 25. Yeah, about 69, 70 cents. That's probably likely. Obviously, before 30 cents. I don't think we'll hit 30 cents like now. But you know, bear market stuff. Maybe it goes down to 30 cents. But you know, levels closer to us right now. I mean, you do have. You know, 90 cents is going to be maybe some psychological support. We are pretty close to that right now. Might have, I mean, we basically got to bounce off of that already. And then, you know, let's see here. Let me get rid of this. And then let's go ahead and let's pull another Fibonacci. Let's pull a little Fibonacci. A little bada boom, bada bing right here. And we'll pull it right. Come on. My mouse is horrible. Okay, there we go. Boom. Yeah, there you go. So you are hitting a local golden pocket right here. So you're probably going to see, I mean, we are seeing some support there. So I would say, you know, from here, you know, maybe you hold the golden pocket here. That would be nice. If you do wind up coming down, you know, another 10% right here to about 83 cents. That's realistic if Bitcoin keeps dumping. And then we'll have to assess it, you know, further when we get there, if we're going to come down a little lower, depending on what Bitcoin does. But I would say for now, keep an eye on this golden pocket level here. Top of this golden pocket coming in at about 92 cents. And then watch this 786 level down here at about 83 cents, right? So at 83 cents will be the next target for me on the way down. You know, maybe it's 83, maybe it's 84, but that general area right here would be the where I have my eyes next for another move down for ADA. Let's see. Frankie, can you do Algorand? Okay, awesome. Thank you for the coins, Tyler. I do see them. Thank you. Austin C's says, come on, people, smash that like button. 307 people in here. Thank you all for tuning in to the Frankie Candles live stream. I appreciate every single one of you. Smash that like button if you have not already. It's right there. Just go down to the right a little bit and click like and get it up to 300 so you guys can get 3 spins on the wheel and hopefully win 3 giveaways. We give away NFTs. We give away Ledger Nano S's. We might be giving away another type of hardware wallet coming here soon. And then and we give away Bitcoin Miami 2022 tickets sometimes. We gave away 2 of them. So so definitely smash that like button if you like giveaways and you want a chance to win some cool stuff. Here from BitBoy's channel, yo mom's who? I don't know if I want to read that name, but what's going on? We welcome you to the Frankie Candles live stream. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. Let's see. XRP is going to 34 cents if ADA hits them levels. Yes, possible. All right, let's see. I'm late. Did we already talk about the weekly large blood diamond on BTC? KMFA, yes, we did. We did talk about it. I would love to tell you guys how harsh it could play out, but there's nothing really to test it on because it's never happened before. So I can't really give you guys a good idea of how far I think it could bring us down. But I mean, daily blood diamonds bring us down quite a bit sometimes, so I wouldn't expect anything less from a weekly blood diamond. Let's see. Smash them likes like free weights, baby. J-Mac, what's going on? Sorry, I'm late, fellas. Sam, no problem. I got your late pass right here. Let's see. All right. Bitcoin Billy in the house. Let's go. LFG, Crypto Anon, I see you. Have you got your Bitcoin 2023 tickets yet? Not yet. They're coming. Hopefully we can give away some tickets to the next conference as well. Thanks for the info, Frankie. John, no problem. I got you, my man. I got you. Working our way up to 300 likes, guys. I think we can hit 350 tonight. We're only halfway through the stream right now, and I think we can hit 350, 400 at least. But all right, let's see. All right, let's just take a real quick look at Dot and Atom, and then we'll work our way into these alts so you guys can get the info you're looking for. Yeah, sorry about the name, but I love your TA. I love you. TA, I love your TA, my guy. God bless. Keep up the great work. Yo, mom's a great person. I appreciate you for being here. Welcome. Smash that subscribe button if you have not. Because if we are going into a bear market, all the CandleMafia does in a bear market is just count money. So you're in the right place if we are going into a bear market. So great time to find the channel. Welcome to the CandleMafia officially. I knight you in. All right, let's see. All right, guys. So let's just take a real quick look here at Polkadot. Let's take a look at the daily. Oh, wow, I got no lines on here. Who took my lines off? All right, let's see. So coming in at about $18.22, right? You got a little breakout out of this downtrend, right? I mean, oh, no, this is just a random line drawn. Let's get rid of that. Okay. So coming in at about 18.22, let's pull a fib. Let's pull a fib on here. Let's go from here to there. Actually, let's go from top down. Boom. It's not the most accurate. All right, let's see. Yeah, I mean, this is the daily. I mean, we're low. We're Polkadot is low. I mean, you do have this level right here that you've gotten decent bounces off, right? You bounce that wick right off of there. Boom, support, broke out a little bit there, but came right above. And then you got support again. And this line is at about $12.90, or maybe, probably closer to $13. you know, and we could draw this as a range, but I mean, definitely likely situation that we come back down and test this again. Now, if you break that, you know, maybe $10, you're coming into the $10 range, right? You know, not impossible. It is all dependent on what Bitcoin does. But right now, I mean, things are down, right? 15-minute yellow X might get that little fake out pump and then come straight back down. Let's check the 1 hour, right? Yellow X on the 1 hour. No yellow X on the 2 hour. Blood diamond on the 3 hour. Looks like it has played out a lot so far. Yeah, yellow X on the 6 hour. I mean, this is how you guys could have seen this stuff coming. Yellow X on the 6 hour is no joke. You could expect to come down a good amount from there. You know, and you did have money flow and VWAP coming below at that time. So yeah, that is Polkadot. Not really much to say with Polkadot other than you could come back down to that 13-cent level. And then real quick, let's just check on Atom or Cosmos, right? Wicked right back down almost exactly to our line here at about $23. Wicked right back up, so not too bad. We'll have to see if we can hold that level. It has been very, very strong support in the past as, you know, you see we have, you know, resistance, and then you got support, resistance, support, support, right? So, you know, maybe we come back down here, but we have held this level in the past pretty well. So I'm saying keep an eye on 23-cent for Cosmos or Atom. Let's see. All right, guys. It says I know things are bleeding. I know things are falling like rocks. So let's just jump right into the altcoins here so I can take a look for you guys. Let me just find where's Tyler's little sheet here. RNDR. Let's take a look. Boom. Let's look at the Binance chart. I mean, I will say, I mean, you're as low as you've been. This is this the oldest chart that they have? Let me get a little bit of this Red Bull. I mean, water. Let's see. RNDR. Let's check the Coinbase. Yeah, not a lot of info. I should actually go back to the... Let's go back to the Binance chart. A little more information here. I mean, this is, yeah. I mean, this is the daily. I mean, you got a level here. Let me just make this a little thinner. Okay. Yeah. I mean, you're coming down to this level. This is what seems like this is as low as you've been. So you would literally be making new all-time lows if you come below this. So, you really want to hold this level. There's really nothing there's no previous, you know, lows that, or, you know, previous price action that I could find you more support at. But I would say you really, really, really want to hold this level. All right, let's see. Let me just check on the lower time frames, right? 16-hour yellow X, not a good look. 12-hour yellow X, not a good look. Money flow in the red on the 10-hour with a yellow X, not great. 8-hour money flow in the red, right? Yeah, what is that 12-hour money flow crossover happening as we speak. Not a good look. I would say it's likely that you will probably see some more downside for RNDR. Can't really give you many targets because of the lack of price history. So I hope that helps you out. Definitely not looking good with these yellow X's in the longer time frames crossing over into the red. Let's see the 3-hour, 2 blood diamonds deep in the red there. Wow. Deep in the red there. Let's check the 1 hour. Fresh yellow X on the 1 hour. Might be testing this as resistance as we speak. Yeah, so typically what will happen, guys, is you know, you will play around on support, right? And then you break, test as resistance, and come down, and you are continuing to test this as resistance. I will say, if I have not a financial advice, but I do think you might have some more downside here for RNDR in the near future. I hate to be the guy to have to say it. Let's see. Frankie, can I invite you as a guest on my channel? I just talk about crypto and educate. That's all. Bobby, yes. Yeah, hit me up on Hit me up on Twitter. I was answering some of my Twitter DMs and my Instagram DMs today. Between Twitter, Instagram, Discord, YouTube, and trading, I try to get to everything and answering, getting all these chats and stuff. I try to answer everybody. Hit me up on Twitter. Just harass me. If I don't answer you in a few days, hit me again. You're not going to bother me. If I'm not answering, it's probably because I don't see it or I don't have a chance to check it. It's not because I'm ignoring you. Never because I literally answer everybody. Someone could be like, hey, what's up, Frank? Yeah, I answer them. Hey, what's up? So yeah, just hit me up on Twitter and I will see you eventually. But yeah, I would like that. That'd be fun. Cool. I'll just give you my channel link. Cool. Yeah, Jimmy Two Shoes. Let me know if you ever want me to come on your channel as well. All right, let's see. Where's my, okay, CELR. What is that? Seller? We can take a look at that. Just a heads up, guys. I will give you my analysis on these coins, but typically if it's a coin I don't know, it's kind of hard. It kind of takes away a level, like a level of my analysis because I have no fundamental knowledge. If I don't have any fundamental knowledge of the coin, I can't tell you, like, if ADA dumps, right? I'm not going to tell you like, oh, it should recover. Like I could tell you that with ADA because I know what ADA is and I know it's going to be around in the long term. But if it's a coin I don't know, I won't be able to do that, right? So like this, like if you guys show me a coin that I don't know what it is, for all I know, it could just be a complete meme coin. So so just keep that in mind. Thank you. I will hit you up, young man. I'm Italian. I do harass. I put cement. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, you put cement in the shoes. I think I know what you're talking about. Have you had the time to look at Paul Barron Crypto Power Index indicator yet? Rob, no. That is on my list of things to do. I actually have it written down on a Post-it note on my computer because I do. A couple people have asked me about that. Captain Kirk told me that he's legit. So I'm definitely going to look into it. Also, is anybody familiar with Lux Algo? If you guys are familiar with Lux Algo, let me know in the chat. I actually met the creator in Miami at Ben Cowan's penthouse party. And I got his information. We're going to talk and maybe, maybe work together on some stuff. I might take a look at some of the indicators and let you guys know what I think. So maybe we got some more good indicators on the horizon here. So all right, let's jump right back into here on CELR. Let's go on down to the daily. A little more price action on this one than the other ones. So I assume this one's been around for a little longer. And let's see here. All right, daily money flow back in the red, right? It might sound repetitive on a lot of these coins, guys, because with Bitcoin back in the red, a lot of these coins are going to be back in the red on the daily money flow, right? Which is obviously not a good look. But yeah, money flow crossover into the red on the daily, not great. Let's look at these higher time frames. 2-day, was in the red going up to the green. Now it looks like it's coming back down into the red. 3-day in the red. 4-day, you got that little trigger wave like a lot of these coins do, right? This could bring you down a lot. So yeah, I wish there was someone that could clip what I say and then wait for it to happen or not happen so we can like put them side by side. Like I said, guys, there's a good chance that we could come to the bottom of the bear flag on Bitcoin. We literally said that word for word, I think, on the live stream in Miami, and then that is exactly what happened. But just remember that these anchor waves with these tiny trigger waves next to them can bring you down quite a bit, especially when the trigger wave is so close to that zero line. So this could bring you down more. Money flow crossover into the red on the 4-day. Let's check the 4-hour. Yeah, VWAP coming up, but money flow deep in the red. Let's check the 2-hour, right? VWAP curving, just kind of rolling over here. If you guys can see that, you came up, just kind of rolling back over into the red, money flow coming out, not the best look. Let's go ahead and let's go back to the 4-hour and let's pull a little Fibonacci right here. Let's go from this low here to the top of this wick. Come on, I gotta get a better mouse. Okay, so there you go. I mean, you found some support on the golden pocket, right? As you were just kind of boing, boing, and then boom, you plummeted through. If I had to guess, what's coming next, if you don't come straight down to this level here at about 4 cents, I don't know how to say that, 4.1, like 0.041 cent. You know, maybe you come back up, test this as resistance, and then come down to this level. Yeah. So you could keep that level in mind. But you do have this golden pocket. You're probably going to test it as resistance before you come down lower. But let's go back to the daily and see if we could find some support, some good levels of support and resistance. Well, let's draw one there. Yeah, boom. Resistance, support, support, resistance, 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 resistance. And then, whoop, random line, guys, random line. We got that that wonderful best random lines in the game here, people. All right, let's see. Yeah, I mean, and then you got support and support, right? So I think maybe you could come down depending on what happens, right? I would watch this level here at about, you know, 0.041 and, you know, this level down here at about 0.032, right? If you break this 786 fib level, I think you could maybe work your way down here to the 3-cent range on CELR. So those are some levels to keep an eye on for this. I'm not that familiar with this coin, so I can't really give you too much fundamental stuff, but you know, 1 hour fresh yellow X on the 1 hour, I think I could definitely, I mean, that could easily push you down to this level. And then let's check the 15-minute just for fun. You know, yeah, I mean, I think there's a chance you come down here. But yeah, if you come back down to this 786 level, right, and you break it, I would have my eyes on this level right here at about 0.032 cents. Thanks for your insight, Frankie. Much appreciated. No problem, Zach. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you, my man. Frankie out here changing lives. Let's go, Curtis. I appreciate you with the candles. Is the lobster because I got sunburnt? I feel you. You should have seen Mrs. Candles. Mrs. Candles was an absolute lobster. Absolute lobster. She's not as I'm a little more olive skinned than she is. We got the Italians. We got the you know, we got the olive skin. We don't burn that bad, right? I burned for 1 day. It's mostly turned into tan. I don't know why I'm having such a hard time showing my arms. But yeah, I was burnt pretty bad. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, hey, how do you guys feel about hatless Frankie? How do you guys feel about that? Should we roll hatless for a minute? I like it. All right, let's see. Or, you know, if you're grossed out by my no hat, then just let me know. I'll put it back on. All right, let's go. EGLD. Let's check it out. I got a little bit of EGLD. Now, I wish I could pull up. Let me just pull up coin market cap real quick. So I want to let you guys know, you know, when you're, I'm pretty bullish on EGLD. I'm not going to lie. And let me just, I'm going to pull it up on coin market cap real quick, just so I can take a look at this with you guys. Now, so if we come down here on coin market cap, right? And let's see, where is it? Max supply, 31 million, right? So, you know, you got 31 million max supply. That's not that bad, right? A lot of these coins have an insane max supply, which in turn, you know, the lower the supply, the more rare, right? So 31 million, not that bad. Right now, circulating supply is 21.7 million, almost, you know, 21.77 million. That's not that bad, right? Bitcoin, you know, not the circulating supply, but the max supply on Bitcoin is 21 million. So it's not that far off from Bitcoin. So with that lower max supply, it does make me bullish because there's just less of them, right? It makes them more rare naturally. So this is kind of why I like EGLD. But let's, you know, this is you know, Frankie Candles. This isn't Frankie Coin Market Cap. So let's go ahead and take a look at the charts here. So here we go. Now we are coming up to, you know, some support right here. Now let me actually just draw this out as a yeah, you know, roughly, I'm just roughing these lines, guys. You know, it's hard to draw them, you know, dead on while we're live on stream. But, you know, you are coming up to somewhat support here. You could be breaking it. I actually, let me get rid of it because I don't want to give you guys like a false level here. But let's go ahead and pull a little Fibonacci. Boom. And we'll pull, should we pull it up to this? Well, yeah, I guess we'll go, should we go to that high? Now let's go to this high. No, actually, sorry, guys. Sorry. Let's pull it from this low to this high. Bada boom. Let me just fix this a little bit. Make sure it's as close as possible. Doing it on the fly for you guys. Okay. So you are, oh God, it keeps moving. Come on, get up there. Boom. Okay. So you are coming through the golden pocket right here, right? Your next fib level, the 786 level right here is at 141, right? About $10 from where we're at right now, or percentage wise, about 6%, 6.5% down from where we are right now. So definitely possible to hit that, depending on what Bitcoin does, right? It's kind of going to be my answer every time. We are very dependent on what Bitcoin does at this point. Money flow crossover into the red on the daily, 12-hour, money flow about to cross over, looking like it wants to go down and cross over. You got that red dot on the momentum wave confirmed. No yellow X's yet. You did have the 2 blood diamonds similar to Bitcoin here on the 10-hour, obviously brought you down. Now, it's funny because now we could look in hindsight, guys. William, I see you. I will answer you in a second. Let's see. Yeah, so it's just kind of fun because we could look at this in hindsight, right? When we were looking at Bitcoin and we had those 2 blood diamonds, right? And we were saying, like, when there are 2, the first one doesn't really play out too much, right? Sometimes. And then the second one is just, the first one's just foreshadowing the second one, which is the one that plays out. And I mentioned that in our market, my market watch video that I put out while we were in Miami. And this is perfect. It perfectly shows how this plays out a lot, where you'll get 1 blood diamond play out a tiny bit, right? And then it's just foreshadowing that second blood diamond. And then that's the one that plays out. This is like textbook, double blood diamond here. So it does look like you're losing the golden pocket. We will zoom into the lower time frames here in just a second. But the next level to watch if we break this golden pocket, maybe you make a stop here at about 147, but likely you could come down here to about $141 for EGLD. Now let's take a look at the 6-hour. Right, deep in the red. VWAP coming up. 4-hour, VWAP coming up. Money flow coming down. Money flow coming out on the 3-hour. Fresh yellow X on the 2-hour. Right, I think this could bring you down to this $141 level easily. And then underneath that, you have $126. You'll have to see if you could hold this level. But double yellow X's right here on the golden pocket push you through. So not looking the best, obviously, as nothing is really going to look that good right now. But hey, Captain Kirk, what's going on? Captain Kirk in the house, people. Let's go. Guys, give it up for Captain Kirk, Tyler, and Tyler Durden, and Tony D in chat. They are wonderful mods. They help me out a ton. I would be lost without them. So shout out to them. Show them some love in chat. They are out here doing God's work out here. And I appreciate them very much. Let's see. Where did Frankie? How low can this go? Worst case. Okay, so worst case for Bitcoin. I'll take a look at it right now for you. We did cover this in the beginning of the stream, but for anybody who just hopped in, we'll just cover it real quick. Let me go to the daily. Worst case, short answer. Worst case, 20K. That's what I'm thinking. Worst case, because if we do lose these levels, right? If we lose this bear flag breaks out to the downside, right? We do have a golden pocket level here, at about starting at about 39K. If we lose that level, I think we're coming to this 786 fib level down here, this white line, coming in at about, let me just zoom in so I can get the exact number here, about $36,351, right? And then if we lose that, we're coming down to test these lows from the summer right here, right? This golden pocket, this is a golden pocket level, so we could see a very strong bounce here. However, if we start losing, this starts at about 29K, right? If we lose this 36,375 level, this white line, the 786 fib level here, probably inevitable that we're coming down to the summer lows here at the top of this golden pocket. And if we smash through that, I think we will come down to this next white line at about 1920K. So in my opinion, that would be worst case scenario. Maybe it bottoms out a little higher, maybe it bottoms out a little bit lower, but that's essentially what I'm looking at for the bear case. And right now, it is looking more likely that the bear case plays out than the bull case. But tomorrow's a new day, guys. New information every single day. We will analyze it and change our hypothesis as new information comes in. Let's see, or it bounces for another relief wave. Yeah, not impossible. Just pulled up the moon phase indicator and everyone's blood pressure will ease. Uh, Hodgepodge, I gotta look into how to read that. I don't know how to read that, but we will. I will try to get briefed on how that works. Maybe you could show me. But yeah, I mean, maybe we're just going off the moon phases. I have heard that it's weirdly accurate, so I'll give you that for sure. But yeah, and boom, the fill orders will shoot it straight back up. Cobra Kai, I hope so. You know, and then you know, levels that I would be looking for a good bounce on Bitcoin, right? Could be this golden pocket, right? Could be this local golden pocket right down here at about 39K. Maybe we get a nice bounce off of there. 786 fib level, maybe it happens there. Last chance for a giant bounce is this golden pocket down here at 29K. If we do not get a strong bounce off of this, I am pretty confident that we will break through that golden pocket and come down, you know, to full bear market mode 20K test. So that's just kind of what I'm thinking about. But let me be frank. Did you guys get it? No, for real. Let me just be frank for a second. Let me just be myself for a second. I'm not saying that it's over. We're going to 20K. Because I've been saying it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good. It doesn't look good. But the charts change, guys. The charts change, right? We could flip bullish. The money flow can start curving back up. We'll just have to see. But as of right now, as of today, April 11th, 2022, right now it is not looking good. So we'll just have to see what happens in the coming days, in the coming weeks. But yeah, that's just kind of worst case. I would say 20K bear market. Let's see. So 20K is the cheapest before the next bull run. William, in my opinion, that's what I'm looking for. If Bitcoin hits 20K, that's when I'm selling everything I have to buy Bitcoin. That's what I'm doing, because I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't tell you what to do, but that's what I'm doing. Hi, Frankie. I'm Italian. Look at GMT, please. I got you, Peter. I got you. You gotta look out for the family. Let's see. Yo, let's roll the bones, read some tea leaves, watch the moon phases, everything in play with crypto. Absolutely, guys. When the grass starts turning brown, might be time to sell. What's up, Mr. A? Appreciate you for being here, man. All right, Solana, Cadena, AVX, Cody, Algo, Zil, Harmony, and GMT. I'm going to start with GMT because it's not on the official list, and I don't want to lose track, so we're going to start with GMT. I got you, my paisan. Peter, I got you. You're my paisan. GMT. All right, let's get it. Yeah, guys, I see you guys talking about the conference in there. Super good time. Crypto Anon, Matt Wolfmeyer. I think Matt's in here now. What's up, Matt? Thank you for coming out. I hope you had a good time with your tickets. Him and Crypto Anon, Crypto Billy, Stone Temple, so cool. Jimmy Two Shoes, Dom, Bronx Bricklayer, super cool people. It's really cool to put faces to names and like meet the people who are supporting you in real life and be able to just give them a hug. I'm a hugger, right? Got some good hugs in on some of you guys. I love you guys like family. I mean, we are family, familia. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's see. All right, let's take a look at GMT. Let's look at, I guess we'll look at this. Yeah, like nothing on the daily. I don't know. Okay. All right, well, I mean, you held this support, right? I guess we've looked at this in the recent past, right? You held this level at about $2.16. Captain, I wish you could be there too. I wish I could have met you. Maybe we'll do something cool with all the mods one day. We'll all get together somehow, and we'll do something cool. Hodgepodge, love you too. But yeah, guys, so you held this level here at about $2.16, right? You were kind of fighting the line a little bit, but you are above it. Actually not looking too bad considering the way things are today. You know, money flow actually coming up. This is actually not bad to look at. You got a green dot printing right now on the daily, barely any information on the daily, but let's come down to the lower time frame so I can get a little more price history. Yeah, money flow coming up on the 3 hour. Coming, you know, it's up on the 2 hour, 1 hour coming down a little bit. But yeah, it actually looks better than most things. 10 hour, yeah, yeah, it looks better than most things. I will say that. 45 minute coming down a little bit. Let's check the 30 minute, you know, coming down a little bit. 15 minute. Yeah, I mean, kind of hard to read here, mixed signals, but it looks a lot better than everything else. I will say that. This thing is holding up. But I mean, your next little support level is the same level that we bounced off of here at about $2.16. This red line here, and then at about $1.78, you have another level down here. in case you do break through this level. You should, you got resistance, support. I mean, not a lot of price history on this, so hard to say where you'll bounce, but you do have that level here at about $1.78, and then $2.16 is your next level. So keep an eye on these levels. William, no problem, I got you. I'm a crypto noob, and you guys are helping me on my journey. Matt, we're happy to do it. Me and Matt got to talking with Crypto Anon. We got some lunch at the conference, and we were talking, and yeah, Matt was saying that, he's kind of new into crypto, but he's learning a lot from our channel. He's learning a lot from hanging out with, he hung out with me and Crypto Anon. I know Crypto Anon's got Matt's back, kind of trying to show him the ropes. And Matt, that is the best way to learn in crypto, because now you get to skip all the mistakes that everybody has made in their journey, and you just get to skip them and bypass them. So that is good for you. And hey, Matt, you might have you might have found crypto at a good time here. If we do dump harshly, you will be able to get some cheap prices in here. Ian, we did talk about Bitcoin. Tony, if you could get Ian a timestamp for BTC, so he could just scrub back and check out BTC real quick. But long story short, Ian, not looking too good. We got a lot of money. Money is coming out. It's looking somewhat. It's looking pretty bearish. Not gonna lie. But if Tony can get that timestamp, you can watch back and look at the actual analysis. All right, let me just run through the rest of these coins here. Solana, Cardano. Let's do Solana real quick. All right. All right. Over on the daily. Let's see here. Wow, guys, the less you drink Red Bull, the grosser it tastes. I feel like I'm just drinking sugar. Anyway, all right. So on the daily for Solana, right, money flow just creeping over into that zero line. Looks like it wants to cross over. VWAP below the zero line. I think you will get the money flow crossover into the red. If you do, definitely this level here at about $76 is in the cards. Currently coming in right now at about $105. But, that on the daily time frame, definitely in the cards here. Probably going to see some support at this level as well. Around, what is this? About $90. You're probably going to see some decent, you'll see some sort of support there. Probably, yeah, I'm just going to get rid of that line. But yeah, let's check market cipher B. 16-hour, right? Money flow in the green coming down, 12-hour coming down. 10-hour coming down, approaching that zero line. 8-hour coming down, approaching that zero line. Not looking as horrible as everything else. Looking like it wants to definitely cross over on the 6-hour, right? 6-hour money flow could bring you down, a good bit. What was our last little, let's see, last time we came into the red, that's kind of a bad example. I would do it here. Yeah, like right here. I mean, this brought you down, down to here, about 22%, right, before you bounced back up. But ultimately, I mean, let's just measure that out real quick, right? Money flow crossover from the green into the red right here. Wound up bringing you down, about 54%, right? Before you crossed back up into the green. And then you kind of just binging and bonging around here before you came up a little bit. But if you come down another 53%, I mean, not going to be looking too good. Coming in at about $46. If Solana hits $46, depending on where Bitcoin is at that time, I don't know, maybe Bitcoin's at 20K when Solana's at 46. But that's a cheap Solana. That is a very cheap Solana. And you do have very strong, you do have some support there, right? Actually, let's come, yeah, right about there. I mean, I guess you could probably call this, $50 even, right? Kind of hard to get it exactly to $50. I'm trying. Boom. Okay. So yeah. That $50 psychological level, as you can see, acted as pretty strong support, right? As it is a psychological level, resistance, 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 fake out, back down, and then finally you flipped it and came up. So those are some levels to keep an eye out for Solana. Again, excuse me. Let's actually pull a fib from here to there. Let's get that a little closer. Boom. Okay. All right. So yeah, I mean, you are coming down to a golden pocket right now, so you are seeing some support there, somewhat. But yeah, I mean, your next level right here, 90 psychological level, you're going to see some support there. And then if you break that, I'd be looking at that at 76, 75 level right here. So yeah, 90 is the next level to look out for Solana for some serious support. All right, let's see. Funny thing happened to me at work today. The drink I bought misspelled beer. They spelled it Diet Mountain Dew. That is a weird way to spell beer. Captain. Let's see. There seems to be something wrong with your keyboard. You should restart your system. Oh. All right. This is why within a HODL portfolio, 30% at least should be stable for cheap buys. Ian, yes. Louder for the people in the back, Ian. Louder for the people in the back. Okay. KDA, AVX, Cody. All right, let's see. Let's check KDA. Let's see. Ooh, KDA with the yellow X on the 6 hour. All right. Why do I always have to fish for like... There we go. Much better. Okay. All right. So as you guys can see, just on the macro, you can see that we're coming down. We have support in this area, in this general area, and we are down at this support area, right? Let's zoom in a little bit here and see what we got going on, right? Money flow, daily money flow back in the red, like a lot of these other things, right? You did come down and wick down to this level at about $5.06 right here, or it's so hard to see on the daily because the price moves so fast. But yeah, you wick down to this level, start to get a little bit of a bounce. Money flow coming out on the daily. Let's check the 16-hour. Yeah, fresh yellow X. I mean, somewhat fresh yellow X on the 16-hour could push you down to the second level here. At about $4 and change. We'll get closer. We'll zoom in on the lower time frames. I'll get you a better number on those. Yeah, money flow on the 12-hour in the red, yellow X on the 10-hour, money flow crossover into the red. I mean, 8-hour money flow crossover into the red with the yellow X, 6-hour money flow in the red with the yellow X, 3-hour money flow in the red. Yeah, I mean, not looking too hot for KDA. 2 yellow X's here on the 1 hour. Could bring you down a little bit more. Let's check the 15 minute, see if we can get any bullish divergences. Nothing really happening over here on the 15 minute. Nothing. I think you probably will come down to this level here at about, it might bounce around a little bit on here at about $5.14. If you break this level, right, you might come down, retest it. Maybe you play around on this level a little bit, and then eventually just break down and come down to this level at about $4.10 for KDA. So it's all a mess, but we short it. Video done. Yeah, basically. DCA into HODL portfolio. Yeah, Ian. That's like basically the abbreviated version of the stream today. Is things are messy, things look gross, but we'll make money on the way down. That's for sure. Let's see. Bing bong. What's up, Gary? Gary Burke, thank you for being here. I appreciate you. AVAX, Cody, anybody want an update on charts? Red, bear bounces, and could get worse tomorrow. Jason, I like that. All right, let's see. Hey, Frankie, great to meet you last week. Check your Discord, buddy, and throw me a bone with them prices, bro. Brad, what is going on? Yes, Brad, it was awesome meeting you too. We met Brad out in Miami. Super cool. He got to hang out with us. We chatted. He met Matt. He met Crypto Anon. The CandleMafia had a little family reunion. We even had a little Sunday dinner together, or Sunday. I think it was actually like a Saturday lunch, or a Friday lunch maybe. But yeah, let's see. On today's show, Frankie Candles, you're not the father. KDA looking to replace Ethereum Classic. I hodl some big bags. Please, Vechain, Frankie. Yes, we'll look at Vechain. Let's just take a look at the rest of these real quick. AVAX, We'll fit Vechain in there. Don't worry. I got a bag of Vechain because I want to look at it as well. Okay. Let's see. All right. Well, you bounced off of this level here. Let's go to the daily. This is the 15-minute. All right. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, money flow crossover into the red on AVX, coming in right now at about $77.41. Yeah, Vechain, I got you guys. If Bitcoin can hold 37.5, shorts will make money. However, us long-term holders live on. Yes. Thanks for putting on the stream, Candles. Moby, no problem. I got you. Yeah, CPI news could drop the price more, so watch out for that, guys. But yeah. Let's see. Yeah, okay. So kind of a similar deal here where we were in a little symmetrical triangle here. We broke out, tested the resistance as support, and then came up. Could have caught a nice trade off of that. And now we have broken back down into the symmetrical triangle, testing the bottom trend line as support. We have bounced on the daily, at least. We'll go back into the lower time frames and check it out further. But money flow in the red on the daily, similar to other things. Let's see, 16-hour in the red, 12-hour in the red, 10-hour. Yeah, in the red, VWAP coming up a little bit. And you are, right on that, trend line right here, testing it as support. Let's check the 4-hour. Excuse me. Money flow coming down. 3-hour. Money flow coming out. And VWAP coming up. 2-hour money flow coming down. Yeah, I mean, you're looking like you want to hold that support. It's just smashed up against there. Let's actually come down to the 15-minute. Get a closer look. Yeah, blah. Yellow X tried to bring you down, but it pumps. You got to watch those fake pump outs, though. Those little pump fakes. You get a little yellow X, then you get a little pump, and then you come down. So, yeah, I will be honest, I wouldn't expect to hold this level for very long due to money flow coming out on the higher time frames. But let's go ahead and let's see what we're working with here on the fib. Yeah, so you are coming up to that golden pocket level, right? That is why you're holding it as support, right? So strong support there. If you do break it, I do think, I do think that you could come down to this level here, another 786, at about 63.92. So if you break this golden pocket, look for price to kind of bing bong around and come back down to this 786 level at about 63.92. That is the next level I would keep an eye on. But you do have that golden pocket. Hopefully you can hold it, obviously dependent on what Bitcoin does. What's good, fellas? Frankie, give us some good news. Tatted Grizzly, I've been saying this to everybody. James M, what's going on? Welcome back, man. Happy to see you here. Here's the good news. I've been saying this. We make money whether the price is going up or down. That's the hopium. I'm sorry. That's all I got for you. Yeah, we make money going up or down. That's the good news. Likely more dumpage tomorrow after CPI news. Yeah, Cobra Kai, that's kind of how I'm feeling. Especially with the way the charts are looking right now, would make a lot of sense. Sorry I didn't short anything today, guys. I could have prevented this dump. I failed you. James, you're dumping the market again. Ugh. James always dumping the market. Crypto Billy, Frankie has taught me so much. His community has taught me so much. Never too old to learn. So grateful. #value. Crypto Billy, appreciate you, my dude. Super happy I got to meet you. Do you think this is a head and shoulders pattern building? We can take a look at that. Jason, who read? We read. Like watching the Red Dawn, realizing it's so much worse than the original Red Dawn. All right, let's see. Let's take a look at Cody. Cody. All right, let's see. Cody Tether US, Binance. Let's go. Okay. On the daily. Oh, guys, I actually wanted to ask you guys, did you guys like the pre-recorded market updates? Because I'm thinking if you guys like them and you'd like to see an extra video earlier in the day from me, just a pre-recorded market update, just letting you guys know what I think in the beginning of the day, before we come and do the live stream at night. If you guys like those videos, if they helped you out, let me know, because if you like them and they helped you out, Maybe I'll make it a part of my regular upload schedule. That way we'll have a pre-recorded market update every morning or every, early afternoon. And then we'll have the 2 pre-recorded tutorials or other pre-recorded videos a week and 5 live streams. So that would be like 12 videos a week. So let me know if you guys like that and I will keep them coming. Put hashtag keep them coming. All right, let's see. So for Cody, let's see what we got. Guys, 255 people in here. Thank you guys for being here. Smash that like button. I think we can get to 350. If we get to 350, I'll give you guys 4 spins on the wheel. Let's get it. All right. Let's see. Daily money flow crossing over into the red. Right now, random line. But yeah, money flow crossing over into the red here. So not a great look. Probably going to have a little more downside on the horizon, right? 16-hour coming down, 12-hour money coming out, 10-hour money coming out. Blood diamond there on the 10-hour. Yeah, money coming out, 6-hour. Yeah, probably going to see some more downside here for Cody as well, as a lot of these 4-hour money flow crossover into the red. Most likely going to come down. Last time you had a money flow crossover into the red was about, right here, brought you down about, 40%. If you come down another 40% from here, that's 80%. We don't want that. 40%, you're looking at like 14 cents. So, but let's go ahead. Let's pull a Fibonacci retracement. Boom, boom. Let me just get that a little bit. Boom. Okay. So, yeah. So you are coming down to a golden pocket level here. Probably going to see some good support there. If you break the golden pocket, you do have the 786 coming in at about 20 cents. Right. And then, yeah, I would say keep an eye on 20 cents if you break this golden pocket. You have not, touched it yet or broken it yet. So hopefully you can get a bounce there. But if you crash through, I'd watch 20 cents. But remember, if Bitcoin decides to dump, chances are you're going to see the rest of these alts just absolutely tank. I need one of those deep fakes in my life. Mr. A, maybe I'll give you one. I'll give you one tonight. Why traveling? It was so why traveling? It was great to watch at my convenience. Okay, Crypto Billy. All right, I like that. I like that. I make an excellent scapegoat. Yes. Hello, everybody. Yes. Pre-recorded videos are very helpful. Yes, absolutely. Mo candles, less problems. Let's go, Moby. I like the updates. It's a good time to slip a little fundamental explanation here or there in too. Yes, Wick. Yes, absolutely. Keep them coming. Keep them coming. Yes, I like it. Yes, keep them coming. Keep them coming. Okay, well, all right. All right. I think, yeah, Frank Vids were all awesome. Keep them coming. Hate to make you do more work, pal. No problem. I do it for you guys. I enjoy it. The market review vids are good. 12 videos a week at 2 hours equals divorce. I hope not. I hope not. I'm not married yet. But yeah, maybe. Keep them coming. Okay, Michael, I see you. Keep them coming. 4 spins. Let's go. Let them go make some fake accounts quickly. Let's go, Epic. H-bar. We can take a look at H-bar. Okay, keep them coming. Keep them coming. All right. We will watch whatever you put out, bud. All right, let's go, Curtis. Appreciate you and the info, Frankie. I appreciate you. Cryptogasm. Let's go. But yeah. So maybe we just add those in. Maybe it starts tomorrow. Sometime this week, I will start to do more of those. If not every day, I will at least start putting them out more often when I can. So yeah. Cool. All right. So yeah, you got the gold. I just almost said the golden channel. You got the golden pocket here can't talk, guys. Can't talk. You got the golden pocket here. Why can't I talk? I just have like a mental block right now. You have the golden pocket here on Cody. So hopefully you could stick that. If Bitcoin continues to dump, I would watch this level here at about 20 cents as your next level of support. Now let's start working through the rest of these. Algo. I'm just gonna. Oh yeah, Vechain's in there. Okay, cool. Algo. Okay. All right, guys. I'm hacking the mainframe. Sorry about that. Algo. Boom. Let's take a look. All right. All right, let's see. On the daily time frame, we do have we wicked right down to our support level right here. That it does like to stick this very cleanly. if that is a word. Yeah, and you guys can see I explained it. Look at that. This is why it's a strong level. Support, 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 right? And then it was resistance previously. So strong level here at about 68 cents, right? So hopefully you can hold that. Daily money flow has been in the red, right? VWAP curving down, getting rejected off of that zero line. Actually being a bad trader leads to more divorce. Yeah, probably. The golden hashtag the golden channel, hashtag Frankinashi Candles, hashtag Frankie Candles, hashtag CandleMafia, hashtag Bagel Mafia, hashtag Bing Bong. Shout out to David. I like that. I like that. Frankinashi Candles is good. I like it. I like Frankinashi Candles. But yeah, guys, so you're holding that support level. That is a good sign, right? Going to be dependent. Obviously, if Bitcoin dumps, we could break it. Money flow coming out on the 16-hour, 12-hour money flow coming out. 10-hour money flow in the red, not a good look. 8-hour money flow in the red, also not a good look. When you have these money flow crossovers into the red on these high time frames, definitely not a good sign. 4-hour, no blood diamonds or yellow X's. VWAP coming above that zero line, but money flow coming out. I think you will have more downside. Yeah, fresh yellow X on the 2-hour, similar to a lot of these coins. Keep them coming. All right, I see you, Joanne. We will keep them coming for sure. Just tuning in. Shout out Frankie. Let's go B5 man. Bees man. What's up? The bit LFG. Let's go, baby. But yeah, guys. So you are holding that support level, pretty well here. Let's go to the 4-hour. Let's go ahead and actually let's go to the daily. Yeah, I mean, I guess, yeah, let's just pull a local fib here. Let's see. From here, oh no, I butchered that. Oops. Boom. 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 Okay. Yeah, okay, yeah, so that was a golden pocket. All right. Yeah, I would here, I'll just get rid of that. Boom. Yeah. I would keep an eye on this level. If you break, sheesh. Hard to say. I would say your next strong level would probably be around here at about 52 cents. But we'll have to see. Yeah, I would say about, 53 cents even maybe. If you break this, maybe come down to 53 cents for algo. But yeah, definitely looking similar to a lot of the other things. Not looking great. Awesome channel. Marcelo Gamez. I appreciate you. Chris recommended exchange for Bitcoin. Listen, if you want to trade Bitcoin with leverage, if you want to long it or short it with leverage, I use Femex. I'm going to put my referral link in chat right now. I just put it in there. You can click that link. You will get a deposit bonus, and it helps the channel out just a little bit. So you get a little extra money. I get helped out a little bit on the channel. So if you guys want to use my referral link, I just put it in there. It's also pinned to the top of the chat. Go ahead and click there. You will get a deposit bonus. And yeah, it's a win-win. It's a win-win situation. So I appreciate it. But yeah, that's what I use. I sometimes use Bybit, but for the most part, I use Femex. Appreciate you, pal. Jimmy Void, let's go. I see you, brother. All right, let's. So there's my level for algo. Hopefully we can hold this level here, at about 68 cents. If we break it, I'd be looking down here at about 53 cents. Now let's look at ZIL. Boom. Okay. All right. Here we go. On the daily, no money flow crossover into the red. However, it does look like it is coming. Yeah, Satoshi, depending on where you live, you might have to use a VPN, but if you use a VPN, you will be good with Femex. Frankie gives me hope during red days. Hey, Supreme Hundreds, let's go, baby. It's all about that hope. And hey, I mean, if your hope is making money while the price is going down, that's the best hopium there is because it's confirmed. Hey, the price is going down. I'm shorting. I made money, right? So it's not like I hope it goes back up so we can make money. It's, hey, it's going down. Let's make money right now. But let's see. No hat candles. Okay. Let's go. Always rise. What's going on? Welcome back. I appreciate you. Yes. Okay, cool. So let's take a look here at ZIL, right? Money flow coming towards that zero line. Not quite a crossover yet. But, nonetheless is coming down pretty aggressively. 16-hour, not looking great. Money flow coming out. VWAP crossing below that zero line. You know, money, I mean, it's looking better than some of these things, but yeah, 10-hour money flow coming out pretty aggressively. 8-hour looking like it's coming out pretty harshly here. Yeah, 6-hour in the red, right? VWAP below the zero line. Blood diamond on the 4-hour. This could bring it down a bit. But you are coming up to support here. I will say that. You are coming up to support here. You might lose it. I would think you probably will lose it if I had to guess. Let's go ahead and pull. Let me get this off. Let's go ahead and pull a little fib. Try to get this as close as possible. Boom, boom. Oh yeah, you got boom. Okay, so yeah, you have a golden pocket here, right? You're holding it pretty strong. So yeah, if you lose this level, hard to say. Yeah, hard to say. I mean, maybe you hold this level. Yeah, I would say, yeah, if you lose this golden pocket, right now you're at 11 cents. I mean, 9 cents, you might be able to hold that. If you lose that, you do have a level down here at about 8 cents. Let's pull back up Market Cipher B and turn back on Market Cipher A and work our way down here. 2-hour, right? On the 4-hour, you do have this kind of same situation where you have anchor waves and then a tiny little trigger wave. This could bring you down, plus that blood diamond, right? Let's see. And the Mafia provides great support on Discord. Great live info there. Let's go. Bagel, 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 bagel emoji. Candle, 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 candle emoji. Thank you for that, Crypto Billy. Yes. Crypto is volatile. Volatility makes money both ways. Absolutely. 242 people in here. Let's go. Thank you all for being here. Smash that like button if you guys want to spin the wheel of pain and pleasure. Trying to see myself on the screen here. And you guys, for every 100 likes, you get a spin on the wheel. And there are chances to win giveaways on the wheel. We give away stuff here every single week, I think, on the channel. So definitely get it up to 400 for 4 spins and 4 chances to win giveaways. But yeah, all right, let's take a look at one, Harmony 1. But yeah, these levels on ZIL, I would keep an eye on 11, you know, this level right here at about 9 cents. And then underneath that, you got a level at about 8 cents if you break this golden pocket, which is blood diamond, probably does have the power to bring you down. And then let's just go down to the 15-minute for fun and see what we got going on there. Yeah, I mean, nothing really. I mean, things are just getting crushed right now. Nothing too interesting. All right, let's see. Harmony. All right, let's go. Thoughts on NEAR? We could take a look at NEAR. Let's see. Okay. What do we got? Let's go over to the daily. Bada boom, bada bing. Here we go. All right. So daily money flow in the red, right? Just like everything else. I mean, there's probably more downside. Let me get rid of this fib. Probably going to have some more downside here in the future for Harmony, if I had to guess. Yeah, let's just pull that from somewhere else. But yeah. All right. So yeah, money flow coming out on the daily. 16-hour yellow X, right? You know, that has the power to bring you down a good amount. You have lost your support here at about 12 cents, right? Working your way down, money flow coming down on the 16-hour, 12-hour money flow coming down, printed that red dot on the momentum wave. You know, not the best look here for Harmony 1. 8-hour money flow in the red, right? VWAP below the zero line. If you did have a green dot printed here and confirmed, you would have a bullish divergence, but because of this yellow X, I would be ignoring them. Let's see the 4-hour money flow coming out, 3-hour money flow coming out, VWAP below the zero line. Yeah, I would say, let's go back. Let's go to the 4-hour here. And yeah, I mean, if you come lower, if you break these levels, I would say, let's go to the daily and pull a fib. Let's see. Let's pull it. Let me get off Market Cipher A, and let's pull it from here to there. Okay. Let's just kind of see what happened here. Yeah, so you came up, again, rejected off of the golden pocket, and then you came down. Okay. Yeah, so if you come below this, I would say this level here, you know, you are getting some support there. You wicked down almost exactly to it. You bounced here, you wicked down there. But yeah, I mean, this is coming in. This line is at about 10 cents. So, you know, kind of already, you know, you're getting close to that level. If you break even lower, I would say, let's see, what do we got? What do we got here? Yeah, kind of hard to say, actually. I would say maybe you stick this. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. So I would say for Harmony 1 here, if you come back down, you do have this fib level here at about 11 cents. If you break that, probably on your way to 10 cents or just under 11 cents. If you break that, I would be watching 9 cents. So there's your levels for Harmony 1. Again, a lot of these things are going to bleed, so there is a chance that you don't even hold these levels. You just smash right through, like we've been seeing happen with Bitcoin. But just some levels to keep your eye on. Let's see. Betting the farm on XRP. Yeah, let's get it. I'm glad I just learned how to short about a month ago. Simon, I see you. We bounce soon. Not much more downside, in my opinion. CJ, I wonder if we could do something cool on the live stream where like I could bring you guys on and you guys can just come up on my screen. And like when something like that, like CJ says, you know, not going as high this time, but we do bounce. And then he said he thinks we're going to bounce soon. And it'd be cool if I could bring you guys on, have you call into like a number, and then you could show me on the charts why you think, or you could explain why you think what you think. I think it'd be super cool. All right, let's see. Luna, Vechain, and ROON coming up to the end of the stream here. Let's take a look at Vechain. I know you guys have been waiting for Vechain. Let's go Bitfinex. All right. Geez, look at how similar all these. Yeah. All right. All right. Boom. Probably, if I had to guess, probably similar story. Red money flow crossover. Let's turn on Market Cipher A. Yeah. So let's see. Yeah, money flow crossover into the red on the daily, like lots of things. Money flow coming out on the 16-hour. Money flow coming out on the 12-hour. Money flow coming out everywhere. I'm not even going to go through all these. I mean, maybe you got a yellow X on the 4. Yep, yellow X on the 4-hour. This may have played out, but could bring you down more. You might print another one. 2-hour, another yellow X. Yep, fresh yellow X. You know, just printing on this candle. So this could push you down lower for sure. Let's go ahead and pull a fib from here to here. Okay. So you are at the golden pocket level. You know, a lot of these coins, when you pull them from the places that I'm pulling them, are coming up to the golden pocket. So you might find support here, right? And then if you do break, you could come down to this fib level down here at about 5 cents, right? This is right now we're coming in at about like 0.57 cents. This is at actually 5 cents even, right? Or closer to 5 cents even. And then, you know, if you break that level, you do have a level, you know, somewhat in this range at about, you know, 4 cents. So I would say if you break this, you might go to 5 even. And then if you break that, you might go to about 4.5 cents. So those are some levels to watch for Vechain. But generally, all these alts are going to look very, very, very similar. Just jumped in. Best way to find support levels on alts if shorting. Well, I vow to be eating ham if we live stream. Let's see. Okay, Epic, I'm holding you to that. The weekly triangle end in July, bud. The weekly triangle end in July, bud. CJ, I'm not 100% sure what you mean by that. Looks like a dump. DCA, ADA for the next 4 years. Stake it all. Okay, just jumped in. Best way to find support levels when you're looking to short. I guess you're looking for support levels for good places to take profit. Fibonacci retracements are a great way. You could draw spider lines. Those are a great way to find support and resistance levels that are good for taking profit or setting your stop losses. And then, yeah, I would say Fibonacci retracements, spider lines, just regular horizontal support and resistance. If you don't know how to find key levels of support and resistance, check out my video on the channel. Maybe Tony or Tyler can link it. We also have the spider lines video. Those are very reliable. We also have a video on that. And we also have a Fibonacci video. So definitely check that out as well. Maybe one of the mods can link some of those for you. Definitely go check them out. I think the clear rejection at 40K on Bitcoin says re-go lower. Yes, chemistry, bro. I would agree with that. As if you choose the real one. There's a massive triangle on it on XRP. Oh, okay. It's funny when he's trying to figure out what someone is saying. Yes, always rise. Yes, I know. I'm always like, because like sometimes it's like worded weird, and I'm like, I don't know exactly what you mean by that. All right. Okay, cool. All right. So there's Vechain. I would watch 5 cents, and then watch, about 4.5 cents for your next levels of support. And then let's go ahead and knock out the last of these coins. Luna and ROON. Those are going to be the last ones we look at today. Luna. Let's see. Binance Tether US. Let's see it, baby. Let's see it. Oh, baby. There you go, guys. There is proof that nothing goes up, forever. Luna felt like it was going to go up forever, and it finally has come down. Let's take a look at the daily. Okay, let's see. So money flow, not in the red yet, but coming down, starting to come down here a little bit. 16-hour money flow crossover into the red is happening. I'm just gonna, I'll just run through it really quick. I mean, it's gonna look the same as a lot of things. Let's turn on Market Cipher A. Yeah. Crossover red crossover, money flow crossover into the red, coming down. So yeah, I mean, probably have some more downside, in the future, right? When you have the 12-hour just crossing into the red, this crossover right here. This one brought us down about, 48%. Oh, yikes. If you came down another 48, 50% from where we're at right now, about 48, $42. So, this could, not saying that it has to bring us down that much, but not impossible. These money flow crossovers on these high time frames are, usually pretty brutal. But let's go and see if we can find some support. Boom. Boom. Okay. So you do have a golden pocket, right? You did bounce off this Fibonacci level right here. This is coming in. This is the 0.5 level coming in at about $81.40. So if you break that, you're probably going to come right down to this golden pocket, as there's not too much, you might stop here, right? So you might, if you break this level, I will say, it might come down, test as resistance, test the support as resistance, and then come down to this level here at about 76 cents. If you break that and come down to the golden pocket, this golden pocket is about 72 cents, right? And then hopefully you can get a bounce off of this golden pocket level and head to higher prices. But depending on Bitcoin and how badly it wants to dump, it could bring you back down to this, I believe is the 786 level, at about $59. So there are your price targets or your support levels for Luna to keep an eye on. Keep an eye on that golden pocket here. You might get a nice decent bounce at about $72. Now, be careful with your longs. If you're waiting for prices to come down to get these scalp longs, be careful when you're in a bearish environment like this. It could be very dangerous. Let's see. Yo, Frankie, draw a top resistance line on XRP weekly from. All right, let's. What's our last coin? All right, we'll take a look at ROON, but let me just go cover this XRP thing. All right, weekly. All right. So let's see. What are you guys? Okay. Let's see. Joanne says, an amazing rundown of all these alts. Many thanks, Joanne. No problem. I do it for you, Joanne. This is the perfect point to use trading psychology. We think we're heading further down, but we're not. I will see, CJ. I mean, I hope we're not heading further down, and you do have a good point. I don't even know, like maybe not trading psychology, but maybe just like market psychology, where you know, the whales like to make, when everybody's screaming bear market, it's scary, everything. When the fear is flooding the markets is typically when things shoot up, right? And then when everybody's feeling, oh my God, Bitcoin's going to 100K, Bitcoin's going to 100K, oh my God, that's usually when we dump. So you do have a very good point there. All right, but let's see. Draw a top resistance line on XRP weekly from $1.98 April 21st. Okay. $1.98 April 20 or April 21st or April 2021, I guess you mean. All right, let's see. Okay. Draw a resistance line. You mean just like a horizontal resistance line, just like boom? Or are you trying to make the triangle? Is that what you're trying to do? Boom. Is this what you want? Is this what you want? I'm just a monkey. You guys are telling me to dance. I'm dancing. I'm dancing. Frankie is like the Energizer Bunny. Just keep going and going and going and going. Absolutely, Crypto Billy. I do. I got to change my batteries after this one, though. Tomorrow, I'll have a fresh pair of batteries. I'm still rocking the same batteries from Miami. So they're running low. But we're going. Just boom, boom, hitting the drum here. All right, let's see. Okay, that's what I figured. Okay. So do this and then this. I mean, I'm just gonna rough this out here. Not gonna be perfect lines here, but yeah. So roughly, yeah. So yeah, XRP has been in this ascending triangle, or no, I'm sorry, not ascending triangle. This like symmetrical triangle for a long time. Could we see a break to the upside? I hope so, but this blood diamond on the weekly, if this confirms, I am not feeling good about this breaking to the upside. Now, yeah, I would say, yeah, I would not, if this blood diamond confirms on the weekly, I would not feel good about this. But yes, this is in a triangle. This is in a symmetrical triangle. And you can see these break to the upside, definitely. But with the market on the macro looking the way it is on the longer time frame, when the Bitcoin weekly chart is looking the way it is very not good. And we had a chance to fix it, right? With money flow started coming back up, but now we're just right back into the red. So not into the red yet, but it looks like we're just coming right back towards that zero line into the red. It's not looking good just overall. It doesn't mean that it can't turn around. I'm not saying it can't turn around. I'm not saying we can't go to higher prices. It's definitely possible. But right now, as the charts look today, it's not looking good. But yeah, symmetrical triangle. Could this break out and give us this God candle that I have drawn and bring us all the way to $11.26? Hopefully, this is what our XRP chart will look like soon. But with that weekly blood diamond, I'm not feeling too hot about it just yet. And then let's just take a really quick look at ROON, guys. And then we're going to hop out of here so I can record this video for the BitBoy Crypto channel. Frankie needs to see that GIF of him yesterday or the day before in Discord. Let's go. Oh, no, there's a GIF of me in Discord. I got to check that when I got off. I want to get started in crypto. I was wondering, where's the best place to start? MX Scrub, you're in the best place to start. You have a whole community of people in chat in our Discord that are willing to help you, and I am willing to help you and teach you how to do TA, how to understand the markets, and how to make money trading crypto, whether the price is going up or down. So you are in that right place. Hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. Smash that like button. Almost 400 likes, guys. Thank you all for being here. You guys, I have a feeling, are going to have 4 spins on the wheel tonight. But yes. All right, let's take a look at ROON here, right? Nothing goes up forever. We thought ROON was going to go up forever too, but turns out it's not. But let's see. Daily, coming closer to that zero line, not quite crossed over into the red just yet, but getting pretty close to that line. Let's see, 12-hour looking like it wants to cross over. 10-hour is in the red, right? So that 12-hour crossover could be pretty bloody. Now, if you do wind up coming down further, let's just come to the 2-hour. Okay, here you go. All right. Cool. If you break this level, I would say, right, you do have some support in this zone here. Let me just drag this this box out a little bit. Boom. Okay. So you do have this range of support and resistance, right? So right now it's acting as support. So if you break this, I will say probably, you know, next stop is going to be, you know, maybe, let me turn off market cipher A. Let's see. Something like, yeah, let's pull a fresh fib here. Okay, freaked out the computer. All right, let's pull a fib and see if we can get any levels here from here to come on, boom. Okay, so you know, if you come down from here, you are okay. If you lose this level, you do have the golden pocket, right? If you lose this level, I think you will pretty abruptly come down to this golden pocket at about $6.88. If you break the golden pocket, we do have the top of our resistance box right here at about $6.13. So, you know, maybe you see something play out like this. You break down, you come back up, test this resistance. Same thing, back to the golden pocket. You might play around on the golden pocket a little bit before breaking down and coming down to this resistance box. So levels for ROON to be watching, I would say this golden pocket here at about 690. You know, 690, and then you know, next level, if you break that golden pocket, $6.10. All right, and then before we hop off, let's just take another quick look at Bitcoin. Oh boy. All right, Bitcoin's still down. Let's check on the trade real quick. $111, small position. Like I said, this is on a smaller account of mine, but hey, 54%, you know, 50, 53, 54%, not too bad. Gonna let this one ride, keep an eye on it. But you know, green trade nonetheless. But guys, I think that's all I got for today's stream. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys have a little bit of a better idea of where I think the markets are going. I do think we might have some more downside in the future here coming up. We are approaching this golden pocket level here on Bitcoin. So pray for a bounce. Not impossible to get a bounce off of this level. So just pray for a bounce. But if we lose this golden pocket, I think it is probably inevitable that we are coming down to, you know, the 36K range. So keep that in mind, guys. And let's see. Thank you, Frankie. You are the man. And we got 378 likes, 222 people still in here. If you guys want to run that up to 400 before we finish doing these wheel spins, I will give you the extra wheel spins. I'll give you until the end of the spins here, and we will try to get you guys an extra spin. 378, run it up to 400. You guys get 4 spins. And let's lower your volume, guys. This thing is loud. So just be careful. Lower your volume. Let's get our first spin in here. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Here we go. Oh, no. Oh, I hear the sound. That is a horrible sound. Who designed? We're using a new. I'm going to get a new wheel. This one. Okay, I got the night off. Let's go. You guys see the screen. I got the night off. No hot jelly beans. I actually think I took the hot jelly beans off because they were destroying me. But let's go. Here we go. Spin number 2. 384 likes. You guys got one more spin to get that up to 400 for the 4th spin. Here we go. Funny hat. Done. Just kidding. I will wear an actual funny hat. Next stream tomorrow. I will wear something. Maybe it's a birthday boy hat. Maybe it's a hamburger hat. Maybe it's a beanie. Who knows? We'll wear a fun hat tomorrow. Let's see. I thought we got 4 at 350. Oh, David, you're right. David, you're right. David, you're right. You guys get 4. So I'll give you 5. If we hit 400, you get 5 spins. Thank you for correcting me, David. So what was that? That was 2. Night off, funny hat. Night off, funny hat. Okay. Let me just grab one of my Post-its here. Write it down. All right, let's see. Oh, 2 nights off. Let's go. All right, we're gonna get you one more, and then if we hit 400, I'll give you guys another one. Let's see. Come on, giveaway. We got giveaway. I feel like at least once a day. Oh God. All right. Well, now you guys get to hit the like button while I do jumping jacks. Support your local fitness. Here we go. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. One for good luck. One for Bitcoin going back up. All right, 389. So close. So close, guys. So close. Okay, smash those likes. No more bugs. Bugs are gone. The bugs are actually, no, I think they're still on there. I think they might still be on there. All right, guys. 391 likes. Super, super close. We're getting fit. We're getting rich, and we're getting fit on this channel. That's just the way it goes on the Frankie Candles YouTube channel. CandleMafia out here getting ripped and rich. 8 likes, guys. 8 likes. I'll give one. Frankie, awesome dude. Thank you, Jay Rego. I appreciate you. Enjoy those nights off. My local fitness is when I lose a trade, I sprawl out on the ground in distress. Epic. I know the feeling. I know the feeling. No, can't go up yet. All right, 392. 392. Guys are so close. I could give you one more spin. Smash it on the way out. But yeah, guys. 395. The wheel went away. 396. No. I don't know if we're gonna get it. We need a few more. 190 people in here. Someone hit the like button. Somebody save the day. So close. 3 more likes. Let's go. 3 more likes. People start unliking. People are just like, yeah, no, unlike it. All right. 96. Come on. I want to give you guys the extra spin. I want to do it. Oh, 399. The wheel's back in play. The wheels. There we go. 401. We got one more spin. Let's get it. All right. Here we go. Come on, land on giveaway. The people deserve a giveaway. Let's get it. Oh, and you got it. You got the giveaway, baby. Let's go. All right. All right. So we got funny hat and giveaway for tonight, guys. I will figure out what we're going to be giving away. Maybe it's a hardware wallet. Maybe it's an NFT. You'll have to wait and find out. Guys, there you go. You got your giveaway. We got the 400 likes. CandleMafia always comes through every single time. I'm going to put on my hat for this one. But yeah, guys, with all that being said, I love each and every single one of you. You guys are the best. I loved meeting everybody in Miami. That was the coolest experience ever. Everybody, you know, it's so cool to meet like down-to-earth, real people. It's good to know that there's other good people somewhere in the world. And it seems like they all just happen to be in the same chat. But yeah, guys, thank you. Pray for Bitcoin. Like I said, I think we do have more downside, but let's just hope we can turn around. But yeah, set your stop losses. Be careful with your longs. Frankie Candles love you. And Frankie Candles love you. Frankie Candles loves you. Thank you for being here. I appreciate every single one of you. You guys are the best. CandleMafia strong. That's all I got. Frankie Candles out. Bing bong.